Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change a ringtone on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to change the ringtone, we need to go to the settings. Now over here we need to scroll down to find and go to sound and vibration. And then over here we have ringtone. Select this option. In here we can switch to my account at the bottom and here choose ringtones. Here we will find the list of all ringtones that you have on your device. Of course, these are the default ones. You can tap on the ringtone in order to hear the preview as long as you don't have the silent mode enabled. And if you like the ringtone, you can press apply and then choose ringtone in order to use that specific ringtone. And if you wish to find more ringtones, then of course you can go to, for instance, categories or home, and then over here, after you select ringtone at the top, you have different lists or categories related to those ringtones. So you can choose anything that you like, let's say instrumental, and then over here you can listen to the ringtone in order to check out how it sounds. And then if you decide to use that ringtone, simply press on this bell on the right side and then choose OK. You will download the ringtone and it should be applied. However, if it's not applied, we can also make sure that it is applied by going back to my account and ringtones. And then over here in my ringtones section at the top, you should find all these ringtones that you have downloaded. And if it's not set, if there is no this green phone icon next to the timer, then you might want to press apply and select it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.